Apple just released iOS 13.1. Let's talk about it. What's up everyone, it's Jason here with Red Bee Labs and welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, we provide in-depth reviews and unboxings for all tech. If this interests you, please click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos we release. Okay, you may remember a few weeks ago at the Apple event, they announced the U1 chip. Well, they didn't give a lot of detail then, but they just released a bunch of details today. So, per Apple, the new Apple designed U1 chip uses a wideband technology for spatial awareness, allowing iPhone 11 to understand its precise location relative to other nearby U1 equipped Apple devices. So think GPS at the scale of your living room. So if I have an iPhone and my friend across the room has an iPhone, I can just point my iPhone at them and send that file right over. So I think that's pretty cool because a lot of times I'll be going to share a file with my wife or my kids and my friends, and sometimes they don't pop up in the little area for AirDrop. So this one will be somewhat simpler to just point, click, get them, boom, send the file, they accept it, we're good. Another feature is shared ETA in Apple Maps. Now, with this, if you are meeting a friend for lunch and they're waiting on you, you can actually throw the destination in Apple Maps, and then there'll be a little button at the bottom that says share ETA. You click that, it shoots it over to your friend and whoever you want, because you can have multiple people, and they'll know your ETA and they can plan accordingly. Also, improve performance and stability. So the iPhone you're not going to get any crashes, any stalls or stutters or anything like that, because we're doing better now. There's a new automation tab in shortcuts that suggests automation personalized to you. There's new trigger-based automations, and it has support for advanced actions in the Home app. So yes, if you use those, if you don't try to get a smartphone home and everything, then that might not mean much to you, but that is a really big leap. Another cool thing is the volume indicator. Now it's a more of a thicker HUD so that you can use your thumb to slide down the volume up or down. And I kind of like it. I like that they changed that up. Sometimes it's just the little things that really like stand out. And I didn't know I wanted my volume like that. And I hate it when it would like pop up in the screen and take up the whole thing, like when I'm watching a movie or something. So now it's off to the side. It's just snug over there. Good to go. We also have some special icons for when you connect like your Beats or headphones or your AirPods, and I like that. It shows it up in the top, shows me what I have, the battery percentage. It's kind of cool. Audio sharing is pretty awesome as well. Now, that is when you can connect more than one audio device to your phone. So if you have two pair of AirPods, you can connect them both and you can both hear the movie or the music, or, it's an easy way to be sitting in the back of the car, on a long trip, and you both can share a device. Now, they also have a personal hotspot page, and now on this, it's pretty cool because you can go and you can automatically, like if you want to share it with your family, it's a special space on there now. You just click that. It lists the family that's on your iCloud account, and you can just click them. They're automatically connected for you. They don't have to do anything. They don't have to come over. It's kind of cool. Like when I first saw Apple had changed the Wi-Fi connect, so when a family member would come in and they would request to be on the Wi-Fi, you pop up on your phone and you just click the button. I was like, Apple, it's the little things, but this makes it so much easy. Sorry. Okay, now the beta apps. If you are downloading any beta apps or using any beta apps, now they'll be indicated with an orange dot. So now I'll just be able to know, be able to visually look at it real quick and say, hey, you know what, that's my beta apps. This is the real app. This is the beta app. Just makes it easier. They have put so much into battery optimization. And what this is going to do is it's going to help the rate of battery aging. And that means it's going to reduce the time your iPhone spends fully charged, so not to wear out the battery. And that is wonderful, especially with all the battery issues we were having before with, I think, the 6 and 6S and the replacements and things like that. They've really gone leaps and bounds with that to really help it out. There are a bunch more bug fixes that they released to just go in and fix little minor things that you probably didn't even realize, or just things that help also with the performance and the improvement. So, but there are so many that I can't go through them all right now. But I hope you enjoyed the main features. Before you go, If you found value in this video, please smash that like button and leave me a comment or two. It really helps me and the channel out, and it's just an awesome thing to do. As always, this is Jason, and I'll catch you in the next one.